This is the ES Formula Wheel mod for the original Moza round ES steering wheel. In the box there is a button decal sheet, the ES Formula wheel and the tools for installation, including an Allen key and screwdrivers. The ES Formula wheel is a 280mm steering wheel with rubber TPU overmolded grips, built on a 4mm aluminium alloy wheel plate. The first thing to notice is the solid build and the ergonomic rubber grips, which are very comfortable and have a high quality feel. The ES Formula wheel fits to the original round ES steering wheel button box, which was released with the R5 kit. To remove the original wheel, there are 6 bolts on the front and 3 screws on the back. The back screws are found either side under the shifter levers and on the lower spoke of the wheel. Use the longer screwdriver through the small hole on the shifter paddle to access and remove the screws. Remove the 3 screws at the back of the wheel first. Turn the wheel over to the front and then remove the 6 bolts with the included Allen key. With all the screws and bolts removed, carefully lift the original round wheel away from the button box. Note there is a small spring on the front of the button box. Check this is in place before installing the new wheel. Also, keep the quick release aligned at the back, as there is a small wire connection from the quick release to the button box. To install the steering wheel, simply align the new ES Formula wheel and place it on top of the button box. Reinstall the 6 bolts and tighten the wheel to the button box and quick release to complete the quick and easy install. The ES Formula wheel is perfectly designed to fit onto the ES button box. It's an ergonomic, lighter weight steering wheel which has a comfortable feel, keeping all the buttons in easy to reach locations. The weight of the round ES wheel comes in at 908 grams and the Formula ES wheel comes in at 503 grams. A weight saving of 405 grams. Making the wheel feel more responsive and sensitive to the feedback. And the complete weight of the wheel is 1,129 grams. The low top gives a clear view of the screen, making it the perfect upgrade for anyone who enjoys Formula or GT racing.